The Philippine Supreme
Ito sa North Bay Boulevard South para sa family planning.
Old Girlie Domingo has 8 children and is most
No, this can't be. I was supposed to be the family's hope.
What's wrong?
What should we do?
I'll find a way and talk to your parents.
What's this, Chandra?
I messed up so bad. I didn't think straight. I'll get a job and work as hard as I can and take care of them.
Just repeating the same mistakes that we did before.
We don't want that life for you two. We want you to get ahead, not just survive.
The test confirms that you and the baby are healthy. Now let's talk about family planning. It's about choosing when to have kids, how many, and spacing them out so you can be ready.
I know I let you guys down, but I'm fixing this. I'll take extra work if I have to. We'll follow every part of the family planning program so Chadra could finish her studies. I won't let you guys down again.
Hard work matters, but with a plan like this, we'll get you ahead. We should have set this guidance way back.
We'll help them keep things manageable. No more surprises will they build their own lives.
With family planning, Chandra can graduate first. When you are more stable, you can decide when to have your another child. We'll provide all the support you need. But if you really want to have sex and can't resist it, you can use this condom to prevent pregnancy. Here.
I want to do this right. I'll keep my promise to my parents and build a good life for our baby. I learned everything about family planning.
That's good, Chandra. How about you, Adrian?
No more shortcuts. We'll follow this plan together.
What is family planning? Family planning is the ability of individuals or couples to decide when to have children, how many children to have, and how far apart pregnancies should be using natural or modern methods. Positive effects of family planning. First, healthier mothers and babies. Second, lower maternal and infant deaths. Third, better education and care for children. Fourth, improved family income and stability. Fifth, women empowerment and decision making. Sixth, reduced poverty and population growth.
The major concern of the lack of family planning includes teenage pregnancy, unsafe abortion, and overpopulation, which lead to serious social and health problems. Teenagers may drop out of school and face health risk due to early pregnancy. while unplanned pregnancies can result in unsafe abortions that endanger lives. Overpopulation increases poverty, poor health, and lack of resources, making it hard for families and communities to meet basic needs.
Family planning helps families live healthier, safer, and more stable lives. Without it, families and communities may suffer from poverty, health risks, and limited opportunities.
Plan today, protect tomorrow.
Healthy spacing, healthier life.
Family planning is care, not control.
Smart planning, brighter future.
Right time, right choice, family planning. A planned family is a happy family.
When family plans, dreams continue.